Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. So it's been a while since I've done a video. I think I posted a video about 2 weeks ago about the academy that I joined, but I decided to do this video because a lot of persons keep on asking me questions, and it basically has to do with the mat for the mt4. So a couple months ago, I think it's about a year ago or about so, I did a video where you guys could get a free mat onto your MetaTrader 4, and also one that you could get for your MetaTrader 5, because a lot of people use mat when they're trading to help them to read charts properly and so forth. So the link, I think, is a raw file that needs to be extracted, and a lot of person don't have what it takes. Not necessarily what it takes, but they don't have the app on their computer to extract the file. So what I did was I tell person to go ahead and email me, and I'll send the file for you, because if you look at my abouts on my YouTube channel, you'll see my email there, and that's where I told people, say, you can go ahead and email me and I'll extract the file and I'll send you the extracted file to you. Now, the reason why I am doing this video is because remember that I'm saying I extract the file for you. A lot of person keep on texting me and say, hey, it doesn't work, it doesn't open. It's not gonna open because the file is already open. I send the open file to you, a file that is already extracted. So if it is already open, you basically can't open it again because it's already open. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you guys how to put that extracted file into your MetaTrader 4, and this is for the MetaTrader 4. And if you guys want the MetaTrader 5, I'll leave the video at the ending so you can see the video and how to get those, or if you haven't gotten them already, or I can extract the file and send it to you. Once you send me an email, say, hey Lisa, can I get the MetaTrader for MACD or something like that. So here I have my open email, and I'm not gonna really go through it. So these are some of the people that actually texted me and asked me for it, and I send it to them. And it's a lot of person that actually text me and ask me to it, but these are like persons that conversation and stuff like that. So anyway, here is the MACD with the two lines, and it's basically right here. So whenever you guys ask me for this, and bear in mind, this one is for the MetaTrader 4, the MT4. It is not for your MetaTrader 5. It is for your MetaTrader 4. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna click on download, and basically it's gonna download to your computer. So it's going to look like this. If you click here, it's gonna ask you to open the file. The file cannot open, so don't try and open the file because it won't open. It's already an open file. What you're gonna press is show in folders. Now, bear in mind, I'm not using an Apple computer, I'm using a Windows computer, and I've explained that in a lot of my videos that the phone that I use is Android, and the computer that I use is Windows, ordinary HP, I should say. It's not like Apple or stuff like that. So this is the file right here. Do not try and open the file because it won't open. What you're gonna do is right click, and you're gonna click on copy, because what you want to do is paste this into your data folder in your MetaTrader 4, so this will show up as an indicator on your MetaTrader 4. So you're gonna click on copy, and then you're gonna open your MetaTrader 4. Now, this is at Forex. I did not log into this as yet because basically I mostly trade on my phone. So we're gonna go ahead, and once you copy that, you're gonna open the broker that you use, the MetaTrader 4 that you're using. If you guys haven't seen the videos where I show you guys, or you can just use one MT4 and connect at different brokers on it, I'll leave that at the end of the video so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested in that. So you're gonna click on where it says file. You're gonna click on where it says open data folder, because that's where you're going to want to paste this, and you're going to click on where it said MQL4. You're going to open that. Then you're going to open where it says indicators. And then you're basically going to place it right in there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to, let me maximize this so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to right click and we're going to click on paste. And there it is right here. So it's now into our MetaTrader 4. Now let's go ahead and close this. So it's not gonna show here as yet. What we're gonna do for it to show, we have to close our MetaTrader 4. And once we closed our MetaTrader 4, let me minimize this. We're gonna go ahead and open back. So the one that I was actually using is Hotforex. So you're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open that back. And once it's open, we're gonna see over to the side where the indicators are. We're gonna see our, basically our two-line MACD. Now, this is like very, very important. As I said before, I'm not logged in. So it's actually right over here. And there it is right here. And I'm gonna show you. So what you wanna do is click and drag it to here. You can customize it. So you're gonna right click and you're gonna drag it over to the platform, and then you can customize it. Sorry, customize it the way you are. You can change the MACD, the colors, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna click on OK, and there it is. So that's how we get our two-line MACD in our MetaTrader 4. And the ones that basically I'm giving you guys for free, it's not really mine. So I found it on a website and I decided to share it. I do have it on my computer. So in case the website decides to take it down, I can always email it to you guys free of cost. So that's all, you basically put it in there. You can adjust the MACD to your likings. I rather you not, because the lines, you have the zero line, which is in the middle. You have the MACD line, and I don't remember what they call the next line. Anyways, but you have these. It's been a while since I don't really use the MACD anymore. But anyways, you know, this basically tell you, the light green tell you that, you know, it's going into a buy and it's very strong. The dark green tell you that the buy is getting weak, it's heading into a sell. Light red, sell is strong, weak, selling is getting red. So that's basically how it works. But if you just want just the two line and you don't need the, I'm not gonna call the wrong name because I don't remember. You can go ahead and you can right click on it and you can edit it to your likings. So you can edit it to your likings, to whatever you like. So let me see now, colors. And let's say color 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs. So these are what we're gonna change right here. We're gonna go where it says inputs, and basically you'll change the lime green to black. You have to change it to the same color as your background, and that's how you're gonna get rid of it. So if your background is right, you're gonna change everything in white. If your background is not white and it's black, you can change it to black. Whatever color your background is, that's basically what you're gonna change it to. Once you change it to that, then everything will basically become black where you can't see it. So you're gonna click on save, then you click OK. And there you go. So sorry about that. So as you can see, you no longer see, all you see is like the MACD line and I don't remember what they call it stuff. So if you want, you can also undo it. You know, every time you basically pull it to the chart, it's gonna be in the original form. So yeah, I have a video on how you can edit it to your likings. You can go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna put that at the end of the screen as well. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell and drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And some of you that like basically comments, YouTube don't think your comment is appropriate. So I haven't seen all the comments because if YouTube find it inappropriate or violating the rules, they basically delete the comments before even if I get a chance to see it. So as you post it, they basically remove it from my channel. So yeah, bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope this video was helpful. Bye.